Hi, Jeff with PondDepot.com. Today we're talking about the Aquascape Rapid Clear Fine Filter Pad. Now this is a little different from some of the other pads that you'll see on our website. This packet has 3 fine filter pads inside of it, so you get 3 pads per packet. This is used for if you're really just trying to make your water super clear, if you're dealing with the green algae bloom, kind of that pea soup water bloom, you can put one of these filter pads in your skimmer, and that's going to help collect all that debris. Or if you just see a lot of particulates around in your water, you're just trying to clear up, that's when you use these filter pads here. And here's one of the filter pads out of the 3-pack. So you can see it's a very flexible, very soft material. It's a very fine material, very dense. So it's going to catch all that particulate matter, all that green water algae. It's going to get stuck to this filter pad. So you can just rinse it out with a hose. You can kind of wring it out and then put it back in place. These pads work well in an Aquascape Signature Series koi pond skimmer filter. You just take one of the pads, you can just put it right into the basket. It's going to fit perfectly. It doesn't need to be cut. Just put it right in the basket. Again, keep an eye on it. Rinse it out frequently. Turn it over. Use the other side. Do that for about a week. Your pond water should be really clear.